up, guys? I'm actually doing a fishing video today. I took the day off of work. I'm out here at the old catfish pond. See if I can catch some dinner. I had somebody meet up with me out here.
What's up?
Oh, he ain't Florida Joe now. That's Arkansas Joe.
We're in Arkansas now, baby.
Yeah. I've been telling him about this place and he thought it sounded like a good idea, so we're gonna see if we can make something happen. Of course, with my luck, after he made the drive here, and you know, I did too, but much longer for him, we'll get skunked, but fingers crossed that don't happen. We're all set up. We're about to see if we can make some magic happen. Y'all stay tuned. Koosh. Yeah, I might need to check my bait. Got a pretty good hit and then nothing.
I didn't get a good hit, but I got a hit.
Huh. Catfish just breached. I've never seen them do that before. Man, I halfway think there's something on there. There is. That's a damn turtle. Are you kidding me? Well, this is going to be fun.
Well, first victim's on land, but not quite the target species.
No, I can call some Cajun friends. They might really appreciate that. Let's see if I can get that out of them.
I'm sure. Let me take the slack out of my line. There we go.
It was reeling in awful goofy. I was thinking, man, if there's not a fish, but something ain't right. First turtle I've ever caught out here.
Huh? At least you ain't getting skunked.
Yeah, that's true.
There you go. About to say, that looks a little better.
I think I got him. Oh yeah, he's on there.
There we go.
Man, it feels like a real fish.
About to say, no turtle, no turtle.
Oh yeah, he's there. See, we needed the bells.
Well, I got bells. I'm bouncing, but I think you're reeling me in. Yep.
Yeah.
That's all right, get your fish. There you go. That's a decent one.
First sign of life.
There we go.
Yeah, that's definitely eating size.
Not bad. Fishing, I catch stinks, but at least I didn't get skunked. That was going to be...
Yeah. Unfortunately, I missed the fight, but hey,
not the fish.
That's a fish.
Ain't you a little a fish stick, aren't you? Oh, don't you stab me.
That's about what that is, too.
All right, well, a little bit of blood, you'll be fine. Thanks for playing, buddy.
Yeah.
Say hi to the people.
Think Joe's on one.
Oh, you just realized he's hooked.
Give me a little fight now, huh?
No, he gave up again. Please don't be a turtle.
Nah, I don't think that's a turtle.
Nope. This is definitely not a turtle.
Oh, there's you a good one, bro. Awesome.
There we go.
That's definitely eating size.
Absolutely. All right. Let's get the papers on you.
They're like little tiny freshwater sharks. What, those removers I got?
Yeah, I might need them. Oh wait, let me get it. Yeah, I need something. All right. As soon as you walk up with them.
You got it?
All right.
I mean,
Hey,
hey,
it ain't a beast, but
it is a fish.
10 times the size of the last one I caught.
I mean, you worked hard to get that one.
I'll tell you what. All right.
Well,
I'll add them to the cooler.
there we go. You never know. Oh yeah.
I'm on it.
Well, damn, dude, you're having a better day than I am now for sure.
I'm having a better 10 minutes. Ooh,
Feels pretty good.
full drag.
Think you might need the net.
I mean, do you want to use it?
I mean, it's up
I
to
don't
you.
think I need a net. It full drag on me. You know what you caught now? No. Same size. Give or take as the last one.
Well, might have enough for a couple meals.
I never know. Let's see. All right, give you a little bath. Make you look good for the camera.
Gave me a little bath too.
You know. All right, number 2.5 we'll call it.
Two and a quarter.
2.25, yeah. All right. Whew. Today's turning around. Fish lap.
Oh, Joe's making me look bad. Another little decent one.
Yeah, they're all about the same size.
Yeah, roundabout. I think I need to borrow some of your bait. Clearly you got a better quality than I did.
Well, I think it might be the rig.
It might be.
Right. Ooh. Ooh. I'm still gonna let you go. Here, see if you can get a release on this guy. Ooh. Thank you, sir.
And he's off.
Peace.
Well, that's going to be a wrap. I meant to do my closing out there, but the heat kind of got to me and I forgot. But you know, it was a very slow day. There towards the end, they finally did turn on a little bit for Joe. I landed, you know, one decent one, and I lost something that felt pretty good. But you know, it is what it is. But I'm headed back to Shreveport now, and Joe is headed back to his neck of the woods. In fact, that's him up ahead of me in that white pickup truck that you probably can't see anymore, but there he is. But hey, it was a cool day. Well, it was not cool, it was very hot, but it was a fun day just hanging out with Joe, and he did end up catching a few. So hey, good day as far as I'm concerned. But I'm gonna turn this off now and crank my AC back up, because look at me, I'm starting to look like Mr. Krabs. But yeah, we'll try it again come fall, maybe when the temperatures drop at least 10 degrees. So yeah, Joe, cool hanging with you, bro. We'll plan something out maybe that has some shade next time. Appreciate y'all watching. See you next time.